Commander Gentle the Yahoo don finally talk to Biafrans because last week Angel Makeup come outside to talk and a lot of people say it's not real Angel Makeup. Right now Gentle the Yahoo is out and he has spoken to Biafrans, call out somebody like Iken Goronkata, Udele and Van Vika, all of them that is mocking that they have buy all the whole Biafra Liberation Army. Do you know that the whole commanders do a new video today? They have come outside to tell that they are still standing with their men, say nothing happened. My people, you see, anything Nigeria government tell you, may you know listen at all. Oh, these people are lie. But we'll play the videos for you, may you watch before we'll come back and continue. Stay tuned.
Wanine ya nuko sade ya kandi sikambara chimeko makana yolo live in America ye wata bara noze erika perform tara erika ya ega biga erika one of my fellow commanders in by Brigadier General ada maka onye maka akayejia omo ifa chukoko General, Biafra land. Biafrans rejoice. Start up at 28. Eke market 2026. I had a go. Damn go the Biafrans. Back and they contribute by prayer, by ego, by popundin nanaya, by popundin rogo, as well. I had a hitcher. Bunch of liars. Nigeria is not a nation and it can never be a nation. It's a business center. But I really appreciate the US, the real Donald Trump, Prime Minister of Israel, Netanyahu, no, okay, una song, the hell Nam de Carlo, Nano Gegoye, Nano Gegoye, Omataka, Ijabugo, Simon Eban, one and the only Prime Minister in Biafra nation. No shaking. Nanum, Ebugo, go on Ebugo. I'll make a leave. Okay, camera. The bomb had a water. No, remember. I want them to get out. On the Pado Gondor Fala. I don't know. I want to book Biafra come Garezo. I want to book Biafra come now. I don't want to Fala. I'm a big lord. By our people, by the governors, by the TSRs. Don't worry, I am still coming up. By then I will refresh up. Look at me, and I'm not half. I'm able. I am here today to debunk a lot. I will speak to Biafrans. Biafrans will hear from me. Yesterday, 27th, we spent 9 Namdekano. Huh? Whatever I'm going to leave, Biafra or nothing. Biafra or nothing. Today, 28th January 2026. Eke markets. Here we are. The people of Akwa Ibom. Ekom, Ekpan, Etiko, Organic Genako, Pende, Yapa, when it's a bunch of liars. You have killed Gento. You have destroyed Gento. You have, because of you people gave us poison, and you people we are thinking that we all are dead. The major generals and our triple general is dead. But God will punish all of you now. Without who you don't know how we have done, how we will go down. Now all of you will fall inside. Don't worry. I will speak to Biafrans. I will address Biafrans in an entire world for them to understand the kind of evil leaders, though we don't have leaders in Igbo land. That's why the so-called leaders doesn't want to talk, because all of them are under planical effects. If I have seen my life is not in your people's hand. My life is in the God's hand. Huh? And English Alahaji, listen and listen very carefully. Stay away from Biafran issue. Take off. Remove yourself from Biafran issue. Stay away from Biafran issue. Do you get that? Do you get that? You are just talking rubbish. Do you know how many Biafran soldiers, Biafran militaries, do you know Biafran civilians that these people have sucked their blood? And you are talking rubbish. Be careful. Be careful with Biafrans. Be careful. Face your own side. We are terrorists. We are terrorists are giving a guy name Boko Haram. This one. Security of Fulanis in Nigeria. We are which Nigeria? In Nigeria, nothing like Fulani in Nigeria. As a collude country, a collude nation that calls themselves a country. British colonial business center. all those men you recruit them, we perform, we do well at least. We hear the news, we can be happy. They did nothing. They were just there eating, selling some material that we have been selling for them. I must talk up this time around, since you people don't have listening ear. We are here on the ground suffering, and you people are over there making money. Making your money because of your selfish interests, and you people are fighting each other. Thinking that it will work out for you. It can never work out for you. We all alive. The men on ground, we all alive. We all are alive. All the whole major generals, the important state of Biafra are alive. Including our master, the triple general. Yeah? Adamaka. We come in peace. For both of them, we come in peace. Soludo, be one. Soludo, be one. Ask hope how it is for him body. Ask hope both of them, how it is for him body. You see this fight where you want start. You see this fight where you want start. Soludo, let me tell you the truth. As at 4 days ago, that you people held the meeting at the Enugu, we all are aware of it. Understand? We are a planning caliphate rose up, and we're telling you that there's no any tribe that can win Igbos except you use Igbo against Igbo. And this is what is happening today. I've been lamenting and crying over this. Now look at how Okigwe is calm. You see how Okigwe is calm. I am the one that did it. Not even hope, not even anybody. I am the one that calmed it down. Ask question, make investigation, very proper. I calm it down. Understand? Huh? When Eddie Apono, Onya Kache Guamu, Eddie Apono, was deceiving the people, I was lamenting, shouting. See, look at what is happening, including with the Udele, Ozu, stupid human being that can never even stand. Can you stand any of my guy? Any of one of them? Can't even stand any of one of them? And you are ranting around making a noise. Why wouldn't you give location when you was at the weather? Why playing the video after you might have left? After you have left, you left back to Abuja. You play the video. Why can't you play the video when you was in the weather? And make the video, give the location where you were, where you was. Stupid human being. Don't worry. My brother, you are not my brother, but let me call you my brother because it's Rigo. But I know you are a bastard. You are a son of the bitch. You are a bastard. Abuja Keno. I know my Igbo. Understand? I did a Igbo. They were no Hausa. Beben Nagish. Franema. Selfish idiot. You see all those on a plan. You people can never achieve it. Hence, Biafra is concerned. You people can never achieve it. In peace. If you don't want a peace, we give you people in peace. If you don't want a pieces, we give you people in pieces. What a nonsense. What a fuck, man. Nonsense and stupid, hopeless, idiotic human beings. And for your information, all the whole military Biafra soldiers, take note from today, being 28th of January 2026, Eke Market. Eke Market. Listen very carefully. Any Igbo man you see, practicing or a full member of Muslim in Igbo land, no need of telling you what to do. But I am giving the order today by the power bestowed upon me through my master, Triple General. Dry, no waste time. We kill everything about the person. We don't have Igbo Muslim, and it can never work in the other land. They are not selfish. You people are talking rubbish. Propaganda everywhere. Throwing allegation on us. Now I want to ask you people a small question. You people are calling us terrorists. How many churches have we burnt down? How many churches have we set ablaze? How many church members, church followers, church goers have we adopted? How many schools have we set ablaze? How many schools attendants have we adopted? How many kidnappers have we done? Rubbish and selfish, idiotic people. You see Biafra? I told you people. Oh, that no Biafra can be a man on the Wafala Biafra. But hence, I come Docha, the Boma de Bumata, or a memory in the Bumata. The Brunilla Gurumolua, Bulilla Gura in Lolu. What Carobia is or Moro and Calabia. Bulilla Atabali Molua, and don't write a tune. Or what about Bokanumba? Come on, Edina. What do I know, Mumba? Ah, come on, oh, my bunch of God and Thursday. I have come up today and I will still address their France. Today I will address their France. The entire world will hear from me. The entire world will hear from me. And after addressing their France today, I will not go far. Then I will come back again. I will come back again to address their France in a good time. In a way that everyone will understand what is happening and how we are suffering today in Biafra land.
Okay, my wonderful people, welcome back. As I've watched that video, I bet may you share and drop your own opinion for inside comment section.